seems like we're in here a lot because I think the last video I think I might have started in the bathroom too, but it's the only place with a mirror. Okay, I don't have a mirror, so this is where we start. But I just got out of the shower, did my hair and got changed, but I'm just currently watching Adeline. Can you read this? Can you see this? Is it gonna focus? There, that's what I'm watching. But yeah, I'm just catching up on Adeline's videos and getting ready. I thought I would record, which means I have to find a way to prop up the camera because I don't have a tripod. Also, should I keep the strap on or not? Don't know. We'll figure that out. But whenever I do my makeup, it's really simple. It's literally just a winged eyeliner, mascara, and then like a glossy lip. Like nothing too wild. Sometimes I add highlighter. Very often, rare occasion, I do that. Or eyeshadow. Although I do have a lot of eyeshadow, but yeah, that's what's going on. But yeah, I have to find somewhere to put this so that it can record the. You guys, I did it. You're literally. Do you want to see what you're on? Look at this. Okay, just look. This is what you're on. Oh my gosh. Like what? But I don't have a tripod, so this is what is happening. This is, my roommate gave me this because she doesn't use it's not gonna focus, but it's from Il Maquillage or however it's pronounced, so I'm just gonna use this and just do a quick eyeliner. Okay, I put it on. Is it manual or is it auto? If it's auto, then I have to do it myself, but if it's manual, then the camera does it for it, like by itself. Right? I think that's how it works. Okay, I fixed it. I put it on autofocus, and I feel like it's a lot clearer, like way better. But I think that also means that I have to do it myself. I don't know. I honestly, I don't know what it means. But this is my eyeliner. That's what it's looking like. And then I'm just gonna use my lip plumper because I don't know. I feel like my lips are big, and I wish they were bigger. But I just have lip balm on right now. That's up really high. This stuff, I love this stuff. It's like moisturizing, like it feels like lip balm. And I love that. So. And then this is just Maybelline gloss. See that? Auto-focused itself. Maybe I just had it on the wrong setting. I think I had it on the wrong setting. Oh my gosh. Okay. So yeah, this is Maybelline gloss. I have the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, which I really love that too. But this was just closer, so. I feel like this is almost like a dupe to it, which is kind of nice. Because I got all my Fenty Beauty stuff that I have, I got as a little, it came in a package for a Christmas present from my roommate / best friend. I never know what to say, best friend or roommate, because my roommates are literally my best friends. So, yeah, but that's the final look. I don't exactly know what I'm doing today, but I have the day off, which is nice. I have laundry to do, and I have to tidy up my room a bit, so I'm probably just gonna time-lapse that, and then yeah, I don't know what else to do. I really want to get like a calendar, a big calendar, so that I can just like, schedule in times for certain things to do, like before work or after work, or like on my days off, because I feel like lately my whole life consists of my job and I really don't like my job. So then I'm just miserable. Not miserable, like I'm not happy. So like I feel like I need to schedule in things to do that actually make me happy on time off. So like after work, before work, like after work if I work a morning shift, and then like before work if I work an evening shift, and then like on my days off, you know? So I'm like implementing things into my day and into my life that actually bring me joy and happiness and stuff, and then maybe work won't get to me so much. That was the plan, that is the hope. But I don't know if that will actually work. So here's to hoping. So like I might go to the dollar store. Oh hey Luna. Luna's just chilling on my floor. Hi baby. Hi baby. Hi Luna. You're so pretty. Yeah, so I might go to the dollar store and buy like a camera or something, or buy a calendar or something. But I'm also like, is that a waste of money? Like, should I just schedule it into like my phone and then, you know, we're not wasting money? I don't know. So like I might do that, might not. I'm not sure yet. Like I don't have a plan. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at with the day. Laundry is in. I keep forgetting to put that back. But yeah, laundry is in. I love this natural light. Oh, it's so good. But yeah, I put that in. Now to tidy up my room, but where do I put you guys?
Everyone's gonna be like, oh, that's not good for your body. But you know what's not good for your body? Drugs, alcohol, junk food. Those are all not good for your body. But you know, people do them. We all pick our poison. I've been using Waist Trainer, and I honestly feel like it actually works. Definitely not good for your body. I do not recommend it, but I use it, so yeah.
So when I was planning on moving out, my mom made me a checklist, and I just found it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. That's crazy. I didn't know I still had this. She made this over a year ago. That's wild. Hey guys, okay, so I had to stop recording because my SD card ran out of space because I only have 32 gigabytes. So it ran out of space, so I just edited a video quickly and ate some food and had another coffee. And yeah, I kind of recorded a little time lapse of it on my phone, so the quality is gonna kind of jump. But yeah, so now we're back. I just tried to film a cover of Jealousy or and Happier, and they just weren't working. It sounded a lot better last night. I don't know, sometimes I sound good and sometimes I think I don't sound good. It's a struggle, but yeah. But I don't know, sometimes I do this thing where I find like beats on YouTube that I like and then I write songs to them. So I think I'm gonna do that because I want to get into writing again and get inspired. I just want to get inspired to write like music that I enjoy and that I love, so I can make it and release it, you know. So I think I'm gonna do that. and maybe just time lapse it or something. I don't know. I just kind of want to bring you guys along on what I do today. So yeah. I think I found a beat, so let's see if I can do this, shall we? Never got on the right answer. I just want the words to flow to me. Why won't they flow? This is why I don't write songs, because I used to be so good at this when I was younger, and then someone made fun of me. My cousins made fun of me, and I ripped it up, and I got really upset, and I ripped up the lyrics, and I just haven't been able to write a good song since. And it's really upsetting. I don't know. Should I just try a new song? I'll just start over. Write a new song. Maybe that's the move. Should I still use this beat? That's a no. That's a no. Jump into a life that I've been searching for, since always for. I don't know if it's good, but I like the little play on words there. I'm gonna watch this back and see if I liked it. I don't know. Okay, so I really liked it. I thought it was kind of cute. The little play on words that I did, that was cute. And then my little laugh. If I end up recording this song, I don't want to like write in the laugh, like I want it to be authentic, so we'll see what happens. But if I end up actually finishing writing this song and like it, then maybe I'll do a little cover. I don't know, but yeah, I like it so far with my 4 lines. So we'll see. Cross your fingers this turns out good. I mean, I like it, I just don't know what to say afterwards, which is an issue. So once I figure that out, I will see you guys again.